Boost your Shopify sales by making buying now and paying later as simple as a click, right from your product page. Introducing Afterpay for your Shopify store, a game changer that lets customers spread payments over time directly on your product pages, dramatically increasing conversions and driving those crucial sales. First, let's head into your Shopify admin. Navigate to the app section in your sidebar. From here, we'll click on Customize your store to access the Shopify App Store. In the App Store, simply search for Afterpay. You'll see the official Afterpay app. Click on the Add App button. Review the permissions and click Install App to integrate it with your store. Now follow this simple setup wizard. This involves confirming your business details. Crucially, ensure that Afterpay is enabled for your product pages. You'll typically find a setting here to display the installment option directly where your customers are browsing. And just like that, Afterpay is live. Your customers can now see their payment options upfront, making purchasing decisions easier than ever. This instant visibility and the convenience of paying later directly on the product page removes friction and encourages more customers to complete their purchases, ultimately boosting your revenue. Integrate Afterpay now and give your customers the flexible payment experience they want.